So, problem number 4. A truck and trailer combination crossing a 12 meter span has axle loads of 10 kilonewtons, 20 kilonewton, and 30 kilonewton separated respectively by distances of 3 meters and 5 meters. So, compute the maximum moment and maximum shear developed in the span. So, ayan. So, meron daw tayong 12 meter span. And magko-cross yung ating trailer with front axle and rear axle. Or, meron palang tatlong gulong. So, 10, 20, and 30. So, yung front axle daw is 10 kilonewtons. Then, distance from 10 kilonewton to 20 kilonewton is equivalent to 2 or 3 meters. So, nandito yung ating 20 kilonewton or yung mid-axle. And yung rear axle daw natin, distance from 20 kilonewton is 5 meters. So, ito yung ating 30 kilonewton. So, ayan. So, ito daw yung ating trailer na magkocross dito sa 12 meter span of a bridge. Then next, so to determine for the resultant, so kunin muna natin yung resultant. So, R equivalent to 30 plus 20 plus 10 is equivalent to 60 kilonewton. So, determine natin yung value of X. So, value of X. So, assume natin itong resultant is somewhere here. So, ito, resultant. Then, distance nito is X. Then, from here, ito is 8 minus X. So, ayan. So, resultant, 60 times X is equivalent to 20 times 3 plus 30 times 8. So, ilan yung ating distance X? So, 60 times X or 20 times 30 or 3 plus 30 times 8. So, equivalent to 300 divided by 60. So, 5 meters. So, 5 meters yung X natin. So, it means from 20 kilonewton papuntang resultant equivalent to 2 meters. And yung resultant to distance of resultant from 30 kilonewton, so kung 5 meters to, ito is 3 meters. So, ayan. Ayan. Then next, since tato yung load natin, so by parts yan or by segment yung gagawin natin. So, first, at 20 kilonewton load. So, 20 kilonewton load. Dito tayo. So, it means, so, kung ito is 2 meter, so, dito tayo, di ba, sa 20 kilonewton. 2 meter, hatiin natin yan. So, magiging 1 meter, ito, then ito, 1 meter. So, nandito yung ating 20 kilonewton load. And, nandito naman yung ating resultant. 60 kilonewton. Then, nandito yung 30 kilonewton. So, ang distance from 60 to 30 is 3 meters. Ayan, napubura. So, distance of 10 is equivalent to 3 meters. So, ito, 3 meters. So, ito, kalahati ng 12 is 6 meters, di ba? So, 1 plus 3 is 4. So, itong natitira is 2 meters. Then, next, so, ito, 6 meters din yan. So, kung ito is 1, then 3. So, 4 meters. So, yung kabila, 2 meters din yung natitirang distance dyan. So, moment na tayo. Summation of moment at RA equivalent to 0. Clockwise positive. So, papuntahin natin. Resultant. Si resultant na lang gamitin natin. So, 60 times. So, mula dito, so, ito 6 meters plus 1 meter. So, 7 meters minus RB times 12 equivalent to 0. So, ilan yung ating value for RB? So, 60 times 7 divided by 12. So, 35. So, RB natin is 35 kilonewton. Ayan. 35 kilonewton tayo. So, it means, total natin, di ba, 60 minus 35. So, yung kabila, equivalent to 25. So, try natin dito. So, RB natin. So, RB is equivalent to or I mean moment maximum at 20 kilonewton is equivalent to 35 times 2 meters. So, 70 kilonewton per meter. So, under siya sa 20 kilonewton load. So, check natin. Baka may mas malaking moment pa dyan. So, at 30 na tayo. Kilonewton load. So, hindi ko na sinama yung 10 kilonewton kasi kitang-kita naman yung location ng 20 kilonewton is malapit doon sa malaking load. So, sa 30 kilonewton load tayo. So, under 30 kilonewton load. So, barahin na muna natin yan. Barahin natin. So, under 30 kilonewton load tayo. So, based from preceding problem, so, kupain muna natin yung location. So, ito yung tractor, or tractor tuloy, or I mean truck. 10, 20, and 30. Distance nito, and ito yung ating resultant. So, ito yung 60, and ito yung 30 na. So, ito distance, 3 meters. And ito, 2 meters. And ito, 3 meters. Ayan. Total nito is 5 meters. So, ayan. Saan na ba yan? 2 meters and 3 meters. So, ayan. Then next, so 3 meters, 5 meters. Review lang natin. Baka may magkamali. Then next, okay na. Then next, so try natin. So, try naman natin. Ito yung ating span. And 12 meters. So, try natin. So, dito naman tayo sa 3 meters. So, hatiin natin yan. So, it means, ito 1.5. Then yung kabila, 1.5. So, nandito yung ating resultant, 60. Then, nandito yung ating 30 kilonewton. And nandito yung ating 20. And yung ating 10 kilonewton. So, ito, from resultant to 20 kilonewton, 2 meters to. Then, ito, 6 meters. Kabila, 6 meters. So, kung 1.5 yan, so, 6 minus 1.5, 4.5. So, ito, 4.5. Then, next, dito, so, 6 minus 1.5, minus 2 is equivalent to 2.5. So, minus natin yung 3. So, minus 3. Ibig sabihin, nalaglag yung gulong natin. So, yung 10 kilonewton natin, hindi pa pala tayo nun. So, yung 10 kilonewton natin, nalaglag. So, nandito banday 10 kilonewton. Wala dito sa support. So, nandito. Ayan. Nalaglag yung ating 10 kilonewton. So, it means we need to readjust. So, at under 30 kilonewton load, so, ganito gagawin natin. So, kunin natin yung bagong resultant. Since nalaglag yung 10 kilonewton, so, hindi na natin isasama 10 kilonewton. So, ano na lang siya? 20 kilonewton and 30 kilonewton. Dahil nalaglag nga to. Ayan, pakitake note yan. Distance nito is 5 meters. So, ang gagawin natin, so, kuha tayong bagong x. So, resultant, equivalent to 50. So, tawagin natin siyang distance x. Then, yung kabila, 5 minus x. So, resultant, 50 times x is equivalent to 30 times 5. So, x is equivalent to times x equals 30 times 5. So, 3 meters. So, ito, 3 meters. Then, yung kabila, 2 meters yan. So, ayan. And, punta na tayo dito. Balik tayo. So, since 2 meters yan, then ito yung resultant, then ito yung malaking load, 30 kN. So, hatiin natin sa gitna yan. So, ito, 1 meter yan, then yung kabila, 1 meter. Then, next, so, ito, value nyan is 30 kN, then ito yung ating resultant. 50 kN. 50 kN. Then, yung ating 20 kN. Distance nyan is 3 meters. So, kung 1 meter to, 3 meter to, so, nandito, diba, yung ating 10 kN. So, hindi na natin sama yan. So, 1 meter, 3 meters, minus 6, so, 4 meters. So, ito, 2 meters yan. Then, ito, 1 meter, ito, 5 meters. Total of 6 meters and 6 meters. So, summation of moment at R1 na tayo. Equivalent to 0. Kita pa ba? Summation of moment at R1 equivalent to 0. So, resultant na gamitin natin. So, 50 kN times, ilan yan? So, kung 6 to, then ito 1. So, 5 meters or 2 plus 3 equivalent to, or minus pala, minus RB times 12 equivalent to 0. So, ilan yung value for R2? 50 times 5 minus x times 12 equivalent to 0. So, R2 is 20.8333 kilonewtons. Then next, so determine natin yung moment maximum. So, simply, saan ba pwede ilagay? Dito na lang. Kita pa. So, moment, or dito na lang. M max. So, parang N max lang. So, times natin, mula dito, so, times natin sa 30. So, distance is 5. So, 20.8333 times 5. So, moment maximum is 104.1665 kilonewton per meter. So, ito na yung ating moment maximum. So, kanina, ang moment natin is 70. So, it means, mas malaki yung 104. So, ito yung ating moment maximum. Then, next. So, next, shear na lang, na. So, shear. Burong na tayo. Ayan. Focus muna kayo dyan. Ayan. Ayan. Shear tayo, shear. So, for shear, so, diba, principle natin, so, ilalagay lang natin yung pinakamalaking load sa support. So, ito, 30 kN, then ito, 20 kN, then ito, 10 kN. So, distance na ito, 3 meters, then ito, 5 meters. Total length is 12 meters. So, summation of RA equivalent to 0, clockwise positive. So, RB. So, 10 times, kung 3 meters, 5 meters, total length na ito is 4 meters. So, 10 times 4 plus 20 times 7 plus 30 times 12 minus RB times 12 equivalent to 0. So, ilan yung ating maximum shear? So, 10 times 4 plus 20 times 7 plus 30 times 12 minus x times 12 equivalent to 0. So, maximum shear is 45 kilonewtons. So, Vmax equivalent to 45 kilonewtons. Kaya pag nagsasolve ko yung problem, unahin nyo yung shear. Dahil yung shear, magmamoment ka lang. So, ayun, determine agad yung maximum shear. So, ayan. So, that's all for problem number 4 of moving loads. So, thank you.